Hello people, right, it's Friday morning, just about still Friday morning at 11:46 and here's something I haven't mentioned. I was reminded of it myself here looking at this recent gold short that I took, and I want to show the phenomena over here. So scroll off, sorry it was already off. On the 5 minute there were entries. We really wanted this, similar to the gold over here. I needed this to be broken because this was the part, this was swing 3. We've done all the levels on here, so high, low, lower high. We needed a lower low, and then we had a 3 candle reversal with the lower low, the RSI trigger, and that's where I shorted it to that level there. As you know, I don't like drawdown, and I'd just rather take 10 trades in a day than worry about watching one. So that's that. So over here we have a 5 minute potential trade. Look, there's your, it's not a proper trade because we haven't got all the reversals in alignment, but what I want to show you is the way you can continue following a trend up, moving through the higher time frames. So basically there's your bust up, there's your pullback, there's your break and close. It's closed above that green bust up in this hypothetical correct trend trade, and then you know, you've had your pullback, and you can watch it on the 5 minute as well. You've got your 3 candle reversal, but what you can also do is move up the time frame and see the new break and bust, which was this candle here. And you know, I don't know whether this goes on into the 30 minute, I didn't check, but that's, you know, what I'm currently looking for over here now. A pullback and then a break and close down, providing all the support and resistance things line up on the higher time frames. This would be where, if we've got the bust now, the pullback, the break and close down, we could consider continuing down with gold. That's not a trade recommendation. We've got the break of the uptrend there. There's the 3 swings of the uptrend that failed to make the 5th swing. This effectively was 4 and potentially 5 if it breaks up through there. So we can do the same thing on the 5 minute chart over here. So almost identical to the trade over there, where we had this huge jump push down, then we've had all this sideways motion, and then we get a 3 candle reversal. In this instance it was an engulfing reversal to the downside. We've broken through the low of there, or we can trade the break of there because I don't think it has effectively broken through, but that would have been the trade, this candle here down. And if we move up to the 15 minute chart, once again you can see you've got your break and close, you've got all your sideways motion, you've got a 3 candle reversal here combined with a break and close, and this is precisely why I absolutely adore the RSI, because it almost always ties up with the 3 candle reversal. That's your ultimate, the green candle. That's your that's your penultimate, the green candle. That's candle 1. That's your penultimate, your ultimate. Apologies, I haven't had a coffee yet this morning. And that's your close, break and close down, and potentially your entry. Obviously there was a reason for this not continuing down, and it wasn't the best of trades, but it still did yield a profit, and you would have used your 1 minute and so on and so forth to trade that correctly, your lower time frames, but that was still 20 odd pips down. So 1 minute chart, 27 pips. 1 minute chart would have got you in that nicely. So you know, you still use your ascending and descending trend lines and such like, you know, like you see on my charts, just to show you got 3 swings and so on and so forth. But that's just how I chose this just literally because I was watching this move here, but that is how you know, I wait for continuation trades, as it were, on big moves or good moves of the day. So you know, we've broken this down now, we've got a good trend in place. We are actually in swing 4 now on this, which is the in a downtrend, it's the distribution phase, and we're literally just waiting for swing 5 to go on. In order to trade this properly, you need to draw all the levels so you get the 3 candle reversals working properly. So H4, I'd either like to see a test of that penultimate low there, candle 1. So there's lots of room down to that. You need to be aware, if it breaks that, then obviously it's an even better continuation and we've got an uptrend that's potentially broken. Again, disclaimer, this isn't to teach you or show you what I want to trade today. It's just to teach you how I visualize the charts and how we can use that RSI moving through the higher time frames. So the 1 hour reversal level would be there. 30 minute, I think you might have heard my tummy rumble then, so apologies if you did. 30 minute there, and so you can see we've just tested the H1 now. Ideally we need to break that down, continue our pullback and continue. But having said that, now the RSI has been with me, say 6 months, I don't know, and you know, it does in certain circumstances override the need to wait for the close down. I'm not suggesting you break the rules of the 3 candle reversals, but sometimes if this is showing you the correct configuration, in other words the bust up, the pullback, the break and close, and up it goes. If you haven't got the 3 candle reversal, like this in this H1 situation, all I can say to you is they are riskier trades. You need to do your homework, observe how these the 2 phenomena work, see if they fail when you don't wait for the close down, the break of this H1 should I say, and so forth. So you've got everything on your charts you need to learn how to use these 3 candle reversals and RSI histograms. Now the work is up to you to develop your skills. Okay, thanks for watching, have a good day.